pelted. We are being pelted. And we just lost light. Ginger, come here. We are being pelted. It's incredible. This is all ice and water. Oh my God. This is so incredible. I'm going to risk coming out here. This is ice. And it's pelting. It's still pelting. Absolutely incredible. This is a glassed-in atrium, and I thought we were going to lose it. We still could. The poppings are so loud. Look at that. Looks like snow building up. These are quarter-size hail to dime size. All in a matter of seconds. You can still hear the popping on the roof. Moments ago, it was totally clear. Welcome to Arizona.
Counties. At 4:39 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, National Weather Service meteorologists continued to detect a severe thunderstorm capable of producing tennis ball-size hail and destructive winds in excess of 70 miles per hour. In addition, flowing dust may accompany the severe storm. This storm was located near Ahwatukee, moving north at 40 miles per hour.
We don't have electricity.
Another strong storm was located 6 miles northwest of the Maricopa community. Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to Tempe and Laveen. This is a dangerous storm. If you are in its path, prepare immediately for damaging winds and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning.